Blizzard 2016. Ooh. I'm a snow bunny. I'm a snow bunny. Okay. OMG. Excuse me, y'all got me all out here by myself. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, bear with me. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm lost in the snow. If you want to just go to the car, you can.
So for that jump, huh?
If you want to just go to the car, you can. If Sean is still in here, that means he's sleeping at the store tonight.
Exactly.
Stick to the gate if you come this way.
I think they are. No, I'm not saying to the gate.
Well, you know what's leveled if you did that. But guess what though? The store is still open.
The store is still open.
That's what I want y'all to know. That Sean he don't play. He don't play.
Sean!